In Apollonius theorem, let us consider one triangle ABC and AD is the median of triangle ABC, where AD divides side BC into equal parts, that is BD and DC. Now application of Apollonius theorem is first two sides are AB and AC, which is not divided, so AB square plus AC square is equal to, now median over here is AD, so twice AD square plus from the divided side consider one of its side, that is twice BD square. This is the application of Apollonius theorem. Again we'll try for next triangle. Consider triangle PQR. PM is the median. Now again apply Apollonius theorem. Two sides PQ square plus PR square is equal to, median is twice PN square and one of its side is twice QN square. This is the Apollonius theorem, or consider it as a formula. Now exercise 2.2 is based on Apollonius theorem. First question, in triangle PQR, let us draw triangle PQR. S is the midpoint. Now S is the midpoint of side QR, S in the middle. Now if S is the midpoint, then PS is the median of side QR. If PQ is equal to 11, PR is equal to 17, PS is equal to 13, find QR. Now first given, in triangle PQR, S is the midpoint of side QR. Now since S is the midpoint, therefore PS is the median. Now to find QR, whenever in particular triangle median is present, then compulsory you'll have to apply Apollonius theorem. Now solution, in triangle PQR, by PS is the median, reason S is the midpoint. Now by Apollonius theorem, apply Apollonius theorem, that is PQ square, two sides which is not divided, that is PQ square, another side is PR square, median over here is PS square, that is twice PS and twice QS square. Now value of PR is 17, twice value of PS is 13, plus 2 QS will remain as it is. 11 square is 121, 17 square is 289. 169 plus twice QS square. 121 plus 289, 9 plus 1 10, 8 plus 2 10, plus 1 11, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, that is 410. 9 2s are 18, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 1 13, 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1 3, twice QS square. 410 plus sign will shift this side, it will get converted into minus. 410 minus 72, twice QS square. Now multiplication part will get converted into division, that is equal to 36 QS square. QS is equal to square root of 36, QS is equal to 6. Now QS is 6, so SR is also 6 because S is midpoint of seg QR. So QS is equal to SR. Now QR will be QS plus SR, that is 6 plus 6, which is equal to SR, which is equal to 6 units. Now QR is equal to, reason S is the midpoint of seg QR. QR is equal to QS plus SR, that is 6 plus 6. QR is equal to 12 units. This is your question. In triangle ABC, let us draw triangle ABC. AB is 10, AC is 7, BC is 9. Find the length of the median drawn from point C. Now median is drawn from point C to side AB. Let us consider median as CD. You will have to find median CD. Again you will have to apply Apollonius theorem. AB. Now triangle A, in triangle ACB, CD is the median. So Apollonius theorem will be AC square plus BC square is equal to twice AD square plus twice CD square. This is A, this is B, D. CD question mark 10, AC is 7, BC is 9. Because CD is the midpoint, CD is the median. If CD is the median, then D is the midpoint of seg AB. If D is the midpoint, then 10 will be divided into two equal parts. Therefore, AB is equal to half. AD is equal to half of AB. That is half of 10. 2 1s are 2 5s are. So AD is equal to DB, which is equal to 5. Now apply Apollonius theorem by Apollonius theorem. Apollonius theorem, that is CA square plus CB square twice median is CD square, and one of its congruent side is 2AD square. Now substitute the value. Instead of CA substitute 7, CB substitute 9, twice into CD will remain as it is, 2 into, instead of AD don't substitute 10, substitute 5 because value of AD is 5. 7 square is 49, 9 square is 81, twice CD will remain as it is, 2 into 5 square is 25. Now 49 plus 81, 9 plus 1 10 is equal to twice CD square, 25 2s are, which is equal to 50. 130 is equal to twice CD square, twice CD square, twice multiplication part will get divided, convert into division. 2 1s are, 2 40s are, 40 is equal to CD square, CD is equal to square root of 40, CD is equal to 10 into 4, which is 40, square root of 4 is 2, that is 2 root 10, value of CD is 2 root 10. 2 root 10 units. BC, M is the midpoint of side BC. If M is the midpoint, then AM is the median. Given AB square plus AC square is equal to 290. AM is equal to 8 centimeter. Find BC. Solution. In triangle ABC, M is the midpoint of BC, therefore AM is the median. Now apply Apollonius theorem by Apollonius theorem, that is AB square, another side is AC square, median over here is AM square, and another congruent side is 2BM square. Substitute the value AB square plus AC square. Instead of this 2, substitute 290, which is equal to 2 into AM is equal to 8. 2BM square will remain as it is. 290 is equal to 2 into 8 8s are 64 plus 2BM square. 2 is equal to 64. 128 plus 2BM square. 290 minus 128 is equal to 2BM square. 162 is equal to 2BM square. Multiplication part will get converted into division. 2 1s are 2 8s are 16. 2 1s are 2. 81 is equal to BM square. BM is equal to square root of 81. BM is equal to 9. Now to find BC, if BM is 9 तो MC is also 9, तो BC will be BM plus MC, that is 9 plus BM is equal to MC, which is equal to 9. Reason M is the midpoint of BC. Now BC is equal to BM plus MC. BC is equal to 9 plus 9. BC is equal to 18